Ah! Ah! It bit my lip. Look at this right here, man. Oh my God. Damn. Look at that. Damn. What's good, family? It's your boy DBoyd, and today I finally hit the spot, man. A lot of people have been telling me about this spot, man. It's called Durdens Catering. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people told me I gotta go by there. I gotta swing by there. You gotta try the gripper sandwich. You gotta try the tenders. So I'm here, and I made it. We about to get it popping, boy. This food smell good, man. So, oh my God, damn. Oh my God, wait till y'all see this. Well, so I got two items. I got the gripper, the young gripper sandwich. Oh yeah, look at this right here, man. Oh my God, look at that, man. I don't even know what's on here. I ain't even gonna lie. Chicken, pickles, coleslaw, some type of dressing. I don't even know. But that boy smelled good. That boy smelled real good. And then I also got the tenders, man. Oh my, damn. Damn. Oh my God, hold up, man. Look at this big, look at that. They knew the king was coming. They had to feed me. And these fries got like some type of seasoning on them. Damn. Oh Lord, can y'all see that? Look at them seasonings. Look at that. Look at my fingers, man. Look at them seasonings, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This gonna be the one. This gonna be the one for sure. So I'm gonna try this sandwich first, y'all. This probably was about 20-something minutes away from the crib, so you know I gotta eat my food while it's hot, so we do it in the whip. Sometimes you gotta improvise and do it in the whip. You know what I'm saying? Look at this right here, man. Just look at it one more time, y'all. Look at that, man. Let me shut up. Look at that, man. Oh my God. Some good protein right here. Oh my God. Look at that, man. Y'all see that, man? Let me take the top off the Maybach for y'all real quick, so y'all can see what's going on in these buns. Sorry, y'all. I'm recording in the hood. This ain't really the hood. I don't know. I guess you call it the hood. I'm in a random parking lot right now. And my lighting is a little janky right now because the sun is not hitting me right now. This boy is banging. I ain't even gonna cap. Juicy. This boy is juicy. And this is way better than that Popeyes chicken sandwich. Probably looking at me like I'm crazy right now. I'm just eating, girl. Just eating. Let me know if you've been here, man. What you get from here, man. They had a few different things on that menu too. I think I saw a catfish sandwich. I know on Instagram I seen they have like some type of pastas and all types of stuff over there, man. We definitely have to swing this way again. Show for sure. Look at that, man. I'm grab this camera, man. I don't like the lighting like that, man. Look at this, man. Respect it, man. Ah! It bit my lip. Oh my God. This is delicious. Smacked. Hey, there's just something about that light right there, y'all. I don't know what the deal is today. Honestly. Alright, so we smashed that sandwich. I ain't ate nothing all day, so for y'all counting my calories, we Gucci. We Gucci. Some of y'all like to count somebody's calories. These fries is banging, boy. I don't know what this is on there. I don't know if that's like Parmesan seasoning. Damn. Y'all see this fry, man? See them seasonings on there, boy? Damn, I'm sick this light. Janky as hell like this. I wonder if I just like move slightly, will I get a little better light? Let's see if I do like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's all we had to do is do a little 360, boy. Look at that boy right there. Boy need a cut. Oh yeah. Y'all get a better view of these tendies right here, boy. Matter of fact, good God Almighty, look how big that boy is. Look at that. Damn. And I got the I don't even know what they put on these boys, but I got the some sauce with it, some type of barbecue or honey buffalo something, don't know, but it bang. I think it's gonna have a nice little crunch for y'all. See that boy glistening? It's banging. Probably just gonna eat one tender. These fries, boy. Banging. My bad, family. So my dang phone cut off because it was, I guess I had it sitting up on the dash. It was too hot. That boy reset. Luckily, I came prepared. Got me a white towel. Cover my phone with it real quick. Let it cool off. But we back to it. You know, I ain't going nowhere. You know, I ain't going nowhere. I think I discovered a new angle. I might just record like this when I'm in the car now. Damn air. Yeah. This is delicious. This sauce kind of tastes familiar. I think it got like syrup in it or something, or honey. Duh, honey. That's what it's called. Look at that sausage dripping. Man. Definitely, y'all gotta try this if you ain't tried it. Definitely worth the drive for me. I'm over here looking all suspicious. Look at this. Ooh. One of the fries fell in the sauce. Look at that. Don't matter. Everything good. I'm going crazy. They will see me again. No cap. Yeah, because I want to try. I want to come back and try that catfish sandwich too, boy. This shit is crazy. Excuse my language. Can't even see the fry. That damn son. Definitely, man. Let me know some other good spots, man. Y'all undefeated, man. Everywhere y'all tell me to go is good and worth the drive. Yeah, that's definitely like some type of Parmesan cheese. But yeah, man, I'm about to close this out, man. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Definitely drop some suggestions on some other places I should visit. And I will see y'all next time. Mm.